In this tutorial, I will show you how to review the permissions for your CiviCRM installation after you have completed it. So once you have completed the installation for CiviCRM, this page will come up. And on this page, it has a few items that you need to do prior to continue using CiviCRM. So the first item is to review these permissions, as these permissions are not set by default. As it mentions, you'll want to set and clarify the anonymous and authenticated user permissions, as well as your administrative level permissions. So you click the review these permissions page, and it will take you to the permissions page within Drupal. So if you followed the previous tutorial, one of the options that you had to set to complete the installation was to turn on administer site configuration for anonymous users. Be sure to turn this back off once you have completed the installation and hit save permissions at the bottom of the page. Next, you can go through the remaining permissions for CiviCRM. So if you start from the top, you have the ability to add contacts, view all contacts, and so forth. The items that are listed as public, you want those to be set to anonymous user, be checked for anonymous user. So like being able to create a profile, being able to edit the user profile and to view the profile, and then to also access uploaded files. Some items allow you to attach files, such as a meeting flyer or event flyer to a meeting event. And so you want those files to be able to be downloaded by anybody who visits your site. So this option here is checked. You'll want to create a separate role for the admin items. So like for instance, the ability to be able to administer CiviCRM, the ability to be able to edit and delete contacts. You'll want those only to exclusive users who have admin level privileges. And then also being able to see activities. You don't want your regular members or non-members to be able to see those type of items, so you'll want to restrict that as well. I would recommend creating separate roles for each group of people in your organization. So the site administrator would have a role, and then if you have a person that's responsible for memberships or a membership chair, then they would have the ability to be able to only access the items for Civi member. So being able to access Civi member and to edit memberships. If you have a financial division or an accountant, you will probably grant them only permissions to the contributions as well as the donations that are being submitted in the Civi Contribute here, in this option here, access Civi Contribute. And then if you have a communications team, you will give them access to Civi Mail. And so they are able to send out newsletters and other information of the like. And then CiviCRM also has a reporting component. So like senior management would want access to this so that they can create custom reports or view custom reports that give them, for instance, membership numbers or the accounting numbers, or to see any other kind of trends that you're able to report on. Hopefully this video has provided some context and clarifications on the permissions that need to be set and defined within CiviCRM. If you have any questions about this video, please leave them in the comment sections below. Also, if you have not already, please be sure to subscribe. And if you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up, as it helps the channel and YouTubers also find this video easier. Also, be sure to check out my social media pages at almostengr on